Parents, 3 things that can help you master the art of staying calm when your child is pushing your buttons. Number 1 is to know what triggers you, what upsets you, what behaviors are upsetting to you. Number 2, what meaning are you putting to the behaviors that upset you? Number 3 is to know the emotions that are usually arising within you as a parent that makes you usually lose your calm. When you know these 3 parts, then you can learn to start mastering the art of staying calm most of the time when your children are pushing your buttons.